Welcome back friends. I believe everybody is in good health and taking care of the social distancing norm and wearing mask during this corona period. So friends, as we discussed in the last video, in the coming 6 to 7 series we will understand the insurance policy wording in simple and understandable language. Friends, if you have missed my previous video was dealing with the definition of premium, policy year, policy term and premium paying term. If you have missed the video friends, so you can go and check the link which is appearing above. In this video, let's understand the new terms. Premium payment frequency. Premium payment frequency means the period between the two consecutive premium due dates in which you pay the premium to the insurance company during the premium payment term. It can be monthly, quarterly, half yearly and annually. It depends upon you what premium payment frequency you choose to pay premium of your policy. So generally a common question is asked कि at the time of beginning of the policy I have chosen the premium payment term, premium payment frequency quarterly. Can I change the premium now? Can I choose the premium payment frequency as annual? So yes friends, it is possible. You can change the premium payment frequency. However, it can be done at the policy anniversary date. Now what is policy anniversary date? Policy anniversary date is the annual anniversary of your policy which start from the date of commencement of policy. It is a date which completes after the 12 months of the policy in each policy year during the policy term. For example, if you have taken a policy on 1st January 2010 with a policy term of 20 years, then the policy anniversary date every year will be 31st December. So for first policy anniversary date will come 31st December 2010, second policy anniversary date will come on 31st December 2011 and so on. On the policy anniversary date, you can change your premium payment frequency. Now let's understand friends, what is the maturity date? So it is a date on which the policy benefits become payable. So generally this is the date when your policy term expire. On this date, all the benefits payable under your policy as applicable will be paid back to you. Now let's understand friend, what is the date of commencement of policy and what is date of commencement of risk? Yes friend, there is a slightly difference between these two dates. Generally these two dates are same. The date of commencement of policy is the date when insurance company starts your policy. It is mentioned on the policy schedule. Generally the date of commencement starts, date of risk start with the date of commencement of policy. However, under certain circumstances which I will tell you later, the date of commencement of policy and the date of commencement of risk can be different. Now what is date of commencement of risk? Date of commencement of risk is the date from which the risk as promised under your policy document starts. It may be different from the policy commencement date. Let's understand the scenarios in which the date of commencement of policy and date of commencement of risk are different. So friends, in which circumstances the date of commencement of risk and date of commencement of policy will be different? When there is a waiting period in your policy. So when the policy specified that there is a waiting period before the commencement of risk, in that case your date of commencement of risk will differ. It will not remain same. The date of commencement of risk will be after the completion of the waiting period. And the second situation will be when you take the benefit of backdatation of policy as applicable in your policy. So friends, what is backdatation of policy? If you have not seen that video, the link is appearing above. You can go and check what is backdatation of policy and under what circumstances we can do it and what are the benefits of it. Friends, in the next video I will explain the definition of sum insured, grace period, premium loading, standard risk and substandard risk. So thank you for watching this video. I believe the information shared in this video will be useful to you, and if you have not subscribed my channel till date friends, please subscribe my channel and share your feedback in the comment section. Thank you very much friends.